Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Redmi A1 device, and now I can show you how to speed up and how to make your phone faster. Okay, firstly, let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because your device is not powerful to do what you want it to do, or because you are not taking a good care of it. So, I will show you how to take a good care of your device to have it in good condition every time. So great. The first aspect and the most aspect that can slow down your device is your memory, not the processor, not the junk files, but your memory. Because if you have filled your memory over 70%, your device will slowing down. I suggest to use your device with not filled memory. So I suggest you have every time 30% free on your device. So now I will show you how to free up your memory. If you want to free up your memory, of course, you can uninstall all unused applications. To do it, just open settings, so open apps, click all apps, and here you will see the list of all applications with the size of this app above. And for example, I want to delete Ampere application, so click uninstall, and great, application was successfully removed from my device. I want to uninstall Cube ACR, uninstall, and great, Cube was removed. And of course, you can remove your photos and videos from device, but I know you don't want to remove and you don't want to lose your photos and videos, so I suggest you upload your media to cloud storage. So of course, cloud storage, you need to pay for cloud storage, but we have a life hack to use cloud storages for free. For example, every cloud storage gives you 3 gigabytes. For example, Google Drive, Google Photos application gives you 15 gigabytes for free. You can use several accounts to back up 15 gigabytes for free. On second account, 15 gigabytes for free too, and on third account, 15 gigabytes too, for example. Of course, you can use any cloud storages. For example, Mega Drive. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free. Of course, you will have restrictions on Mega Drive, but you can use it for free for every day. You can't upload or download all your files in one day if you are using it for free, but you can do it one day of week or one day. I have remember, but I think you can. You have limited traffic per day. For example, you can use only 5 gigabytes traffic per day in Mega Drive. So it's good decision, but you need to check the other cloud storages and choose the best resolve for you. Okay, and the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications are running at the moment are running also in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought the device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running apps. To do it, open your running apps and just unload it all. So just unload running applications. And great. And of course, the third aspect, that can negatively affect the speed of your device too is harmful files. Of course, applications in Android operation system leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program. We have Xiaomi device. In Xiaomi device, we need to have application. Of course, we have now here protector application because it's Android One device, Android Go device. So we need to install third-party cleaner application on our device, but it's a process to choose cleaner application for you. So just try to find deep cleaner app or just any else cleaner application. Deep cleaner, okay. So here we have C cleaner, but C cleaner is paid. You need to pay for it. AVG, you need to pay for it too. AVG and C cleaner, it's is one application. It's the same applications. So CDMate is the best tool to clean your phone, but only you need to pay for it because you can't use it for free. It costs $2 for always. Lifetime license costs $2. Of course, it's a good choice, but you need to decide if you want to install it. Deep Cleaner Booster with ads, we don't need it. One booster, no. Phone Master, no. But you know, Phone Master is a good application to clean your device, but we have ads here. Okay, we will check it. Smart Deep Junk Cleaner. Okay, CleanDroid. CleanDroid, it's a very simple application to clean your phone without ads and without additional features. Alpha Clean. Okay, we can try this application Phone Master for our device. So let's install it. So you need to find application for you without ads if you want to pay for it. So choose CDMate if you want to pay for application for lifetime license $2, or you can use any application with ads for free. So let's check how Phone Master works. It's my system ads, so it's not ads from Phone Master. So let's check Phone Manager. Continue. Phone Boost. Continue. And click on the cross. Okay. Now click on the cross on the left top corner. Agree. Okay, and just choose junk files and choose clean. Wait a while, click allow, click settings, find here Phone Master and allow user access. Wait a while, and as you can see, this app have found the. Of course, we need to watch ad now because it's not ads-free application. So click on the cross. And as you can see, clean junk complete. So this application has cleaned 900 megabytes of our system junk files. And that's it. Of course, you need to find the best application for you, so just try it and write in comments which app is better for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you! bye.